Okay, well, she previously did my makeup with her hands behind, and she was behind my back. Well, it's my turn for revenge. Oh my god, you're gonna hate me for this.
I hope not.
I'm not gonna practice. I'm not gonna pretend. Ouch. Okay.
Okay.
You're right, this does.
I know.
Okay.
Alright. Oh god. God, not darker. Lip gloss is sparkly stuff.
But the lip gloss on.
This is the skin.
Okay.
It smells weird. It feels weird having lipstick on my eyebrows. Oh god, pink lip gloss. Oh, this is gonna be fun. No, not my hair! You're looking, aren't you?
Yeah. Trying to get this spider stripes.
Okay. God.
I can. Oh, that
Blue. A lot of blue. Got enough there. And purple. Interesting. Oh, nice. It's got some of my eyelash. Oh, or eyelash. Eyebrow. Or, wait. Never mind. Eyelid. New polka dots. Nice. Trying to give me a goatee?
No.
No. I have like a glob right over my eye. You can see it. Ew! My mouth. You guys are kidding me. Oh my god. Okay, are you done yet?
No, I'm getting revenge for this.
Oh, come on. I'll go to my eyes. This is too good. It's too great. That tastes good too. Oh, never mind. Ew. I'm gonna spit on my own hands. No. This is disgusting. Ew. You already used that.
No, you already.
You need this first. It's the only thing.
Oh god, what is that? Oh, it's finger.
Okay, that's good. Nice. I have to go spit this out. See, you got it.
Oh, look at you. Okay, this is the final project. And ew, I got stuff all over my hands.
Ew. Got in my mouth. Let's look at her, shall we?
No. She's like so beautiful.
I know.
You should go to prom.
I want it so bad, but no one will date me. I don't know why.
I wonder. Your chin is all colorful. Smile. Is it in your teeth?
What?
Is it on your teeth?
Yeah.
Ew.
It's in my mouth like I taste it.
Okay.
It's like sour orange.
Bye-bye.